Hi, welcome to Alpha Motors here in Wigan. I'm Graham and today I'm going to show you around this 69 registered Peugeot Partner. Fantastic looking van, first of the new model, so got the new front end, the new dashboard and 3 forward facing seats in the cabin. Now this van rather, is finished in the grey metallic paint finish, which is a factory option, about 600 and so plus pounds for a factory metallic grey van. Fully loaded with some very nice features which makes it wonderful to drive, wonderful to spend your working day in. So we've got air conditioning, we've got cruise control, front driving lamps. The vehicle's sat on the 15-inch wheels with the full flush wheel trims on as well, so it gives it that sort of real nice curb appeal when you're pulling up outside somebody's house. It looks a very smart front end, looks very similar to a Peugeot 508 car, etc. 308s, those modern cars now. But looking down the van, we've got side loading door and 2 solid rear doors. The van is free from really any dent or down the sides, parked in probably away from wherever, but very clean all round. This is a really great looking vehicle. Got the Hub Systems Vector roof rack, so you can roll your ladders on there, and it's got the clamps on, I do believe. But yeah, nice feature. Gentleman who owned this vehicle just bought or part exchanged it with our leasing department for a brand new Transit. So got a slightly larger vehicle this time, but this is a testament and a real shows the care that he's had on the vehicle. All the wheel trims are in super order. The paintwork all around the vehicle is in great condition. Minor couple of stone chips, we've touched in on it, but for 67,000 miles it's in great order. Do like these 3 seats on these vans, very versatile. If you've got 2 technicians and an apprentice, ideal. Loaded with the extras, so we've got the rear cabin remote central locking and electric windows, electric door mirrors, 2 keys with it, everybody. And as I say, 64,398 miles. Not as I said. So 2 keys, starter up, you can see there's no warning lights. This van is still, I think, under manufacturer's warranty. Centre screen is the new model, so it's got the Android Auto, mirror link and Bluetooth phone. Air conditioning is ice cold. I don't smoke, and I can tell the last owner didn't smoke either. Smells very fresh and clean in here. The 3 seats are all in near perfect condition. No cigarette burns, marks or stains. Seats all fold up. Here's your facility. Have a look at the pictures I've done. There's, you can stick your flask in, your belongings, and then this seat does fold down, so if you do have extension ladders or pieces of wood pipe, we do have the bulkhead which opens up as well, and that can fold through. Ingenious design. These vans are really well thought through. Onboard computer, automatic headlamps as well, pretty much as good as a car. You've got the storage facility up there for, say, invoices, clipboards, etc. And you just touch these buttons here. Navigation system absent. To open the navigation application, connect a compatible smartphone with your USB. So that's, if you've got that, you can use that. Just reading what it says. Settings there, screen configuration, language. But yeah, what a lovely spacious vehicle this. Very nicely looked after, very nicely maintained. Looking at the driver's seat there, you can see in great condition. Again, no marks, no damage, no. Floors are all in super condition. That's my foot there, excuse that. But everything about it, door edges, sills, again, not had work boots, muddy wellies, etc. But the van is as good as I've seen. 64,000 mile van to be. Van of the year in 2019, as the sticker tells us. Opening up the vehicle then, the ply lining tends to give the sort of game away with how hard or not the vehicle has been maintained. So nicely ply lined all the way through. The factory bulkhead gives this rear section secure. But as you can see, the bumper then is all in super order. Got the parking sensors as well. Those doors do fold back 90 degrees. Ply lining on that is also, but yeah, very nicely maintained. I think they were engineers, if I do believe. All, as I say, the wheel trims are flush fit. Side loading door opens with ease. You're not jamming away at it. Again, the entrance area for that is also in great order. As I say, the bulkhead panel drops down, and then you can get into the cab as like that. Put your ladders all the way through, extensions, whatever meters. Got illumination in there as well. But a very, very nice van. I would be happy with that on my drive. Would suit any private tradesman. Obviously, it's the latest Euro 6 engines, so no issues with inner city taxation from our wonderful government, taxing the working man, so he can't go and do his job. So, if you like the van, we can take a 250 reservation deposit. That takes the van off sale. It's then prepared to the highest of standard, goes through our workshops, revaleted, so you only have to come and visit us once in Wigan. At which point then, if you're happy with it, you can test drive it, make sure everything about it is exactly what you need for your business, and then you can either do one or two things. We can do the finance, which will already be in place. We just send you a secure portal, you sign the finance documentation. Once you've approved the van, we just press return on our system and the finance is put in place. Or if you're doing it through the business, or it's a straight cash sale, it's just a bank transfer. If you're not VAT registered, we can put the VAT in the finance, so you can get yourself a new van, one that's got the latest front on it and in great condition. So just to recap, we've got 2 keys, it's ply lined, we've got the roof racking system, and it's in metallic finish. So I'm Graham, there's Lee and Dom. Either one of us will be happy to help. Have a look on our social media, you'll see lots of customers from all over the country picking vans, cars, pick-up trucks from us. Have a look at our reviews. We're a 40-year-old business here in Wigan. We present our cars to the highest of standard, so that, as I say, we get those 5-star reviews. So, thanks for watching the video, and I look forward to your inquiry.